Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Ringke Fusion Clear Case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But not only that, we also have the Ringke Tempered Glass Screen Protector and the Ringke Camera Lens Frame Glass for all three lenses. And I am using all of this on my Galaxy Z Fold 6. So now that we already know that, let's go and get the boxes out of the way and take a look at the phone with the case itself, those camera lenses, and the tempered glass screen protector as well. Now, I've actually been using this for a couple days because I wanted to see how this would hold up with day-to-day usage. Now, I do work a construction job and I was not planning on taking this device with me to work because I didn't want to risk, getting any real damage to it, getting any dust in there, dirt, cement, anything like that. But I said, hey, you know what? This case seems pretty protective, and I also got protection for the lenses and for the display, so might as well just take it to work and see how it goes. And honestly, it did a pretty good job at protecting my Galaxy Z Fold 6 right here. So let's go ahead and start off with the case itself. It is a clear case. Now, it is one full piece. Let me go ahead and take it off of my Z Fold 6 right here. Let's see, it's got adhesive on it, so gonna have to unstick it there. There we go. So this is the case itself. As you can see, it is one piece. It is connected just right here where the hinge goes on the top and the bottom, but it is completely clear, so you can be able to show off your beautiful device while still keeping it protected. Now, you'll notice a black strip right here on the left side, and that is to keep it secure on that front display. So let's go ahead and put it back on the Z Fold 6 right here. Pops on just like that, nice and easy, and then you just bring over that top part, pop that on just like that, and I kind of just like to give it a good rub up and down here really quick to make sure that adhesive sticks there on the side to keep it nice and secure on here. So looking at the back, of course, again, this is a clear case showing off that beautiful backing of your Galaxy Z Fold 6, but if you look at the camera lenses in the back, as you can see, we're getting some good protection there, but like I said, I am also using the camera lens protectors as well. So we're getting double protection there in the back for those camera lenses. Not only a nice deep cutout, but also some coverage for the lenses themselves. And it does not mess with the photo quality or video quality. Photo and video quality still look great. You can't even tell that you're using a camera lens protector. So they're not gonna mess with the quality at all when it comes to photos and videos. Then going to the top, as you can see, we do have our precise cutouts for the microphones, the speaker going down to the bottom, precise cutouts for the charging port, microphone, and speaker as well. And then looking here at the actual display itself, as you can see, we got some nice protection there. We got a good lift. So if you happen to accidentally drop your Z Fold 6 flat down on a flat surface like that, or just put it down, slide it around, it's giving it enough lift to where that display is not touching any flat surface. But not only that, I am also using their tempered glass screen protector. And honestly, using this screen protector right here, it works well. You can't even tell that there is a screen protector on my Z Fold 6 right here. Responsiveness is great. The only way that you can really tell there's a screen protector here on that front display is if you look closely there at the top, you can see there is no coverage for the camera, the front facing camera. I'm not sure why they did that. I'm assuming maybe because they don't want to, I guess, ruin the quality when taking selfies or, selfie videos. I'm really not sure, to be honest. But as you can see there is a cutout for that front-facing camera there. And installing the screen protector is actually very easy, and it comes with 2 screen protectors in the box right here, and it also comes with instructions on how to apply it. Basically, you just put 2 stickers on each end, line it up, and boom, you're good to go. So very easy installation. Like I said, it looks great, it feels great. It's a tempered glass screen protector. I mean, what else is there to say? Going over here to the left now of the device, you'll notice one thing, that there is no coverage for the hinge on the side. Now, that may bother some people, that may not. Honestly, for me, I really don't mind, because when I open up the device, boom, that whole middle side is gonna be covered, and I don't really have to worry about this hinge part. If there was hinge protection here, if you were to open up a case like that, then that hinge protection would come up, and it would just be, this thick piece right here in the middle of the back. And then when you set it down on its back, there would be some rockage, but at least this way, your phone sits nice and flat when open like this. So For me, honestly, I really don't mind it being open right here. The rest of the phone has some great protection along with, the lens coverage, the screen protector, and just the case itself. You're getting good coverage all the way around, of course, except for that hinge. But either way, I'm trying to be as careful as possible not to drop this device. Try to keep it nice and secure in my hands and make sure it doesn't slip out of my pocket either. Now, of course, here on the sides, we do have an opening for the power button because that also acts as the fingerprint sensor, and it's very easy to find, very easy to access. It works great, so you're not gonna have any problems there. But we do have some coverage for those volume rockers on the sides, which do respond great. Let's see. So you can see there, you probably can't hear it on the microphone, but we got some nice clickiness, nice responsiveness, as you can see there. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what about that inside display? Well, let's open it up here. And this case also makes it a lot easier to open up your Galaxy Z Fold 6 right here. But looking at that inside display, as you can see, it's pretty much flush with the bezel of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 here. So when it comes to that inside display, you're not getting whoops, sorry, I accidentally hit my camera there, but you're not getting too much protection when it comes to that inside display right there. See if I can get a close up here. As you can see, it's there's probably just a tiny, very tiny bit of lift. I'm trying to look very closely here, but what do you guys see? There's probably just a barely tiny bit of lift. So if you happen to just set your phone down flat down on a flat surface like that, it should just give it a tiny bit lift to where that display is not touching that flat surface. But if you happen to drop it like this, yeah, just try not to do that because you're not getting too much lift to protect that inside display from drops. Now, as you will notice, there is no MagSafe compatibility here. We don't have that magnet in the back, but it is wireless charging friendly and reverse wireless charging friendly as well. And just overall, as a case itself, without the camera protection in the back, without the tempered glass screen protector in the front, we're still getting some pretty decent coverage around the Galaxy Z Fold 6 right here. It's better than rocking with no case at all. And hey, you still get to show off the color of whatever color you have for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. And then just adding on those camera lens protectors and that tempered glass screen protector, just adding more protection to your device. You can comfortably walk around with your Z Fold 6 and not having to, you don't have to worry about it getting any real damage because you pretty much got full coverage, except for, like I said, that hinge there on the side. But overall, as far as thickness goes, it really doesn't add too much thickness to your device. For what it is, yeah, it's gonna add a little bit of thickness, as you can see here, but that is to, give your device some decent protection. But honestly, it doesn't make your device feel, super bulky or super big. It's just gonna add a little bit of thickness to it, but that's it. It's still, lightweight. It's not super heavy. It is heavier, obviously, but not super, super heavy. It's not a bother at all. I feel confident walking around with this case on my phone. I feel confident, if I were to accidentally drop it at least this way on, on the top, the bottom, on the side. That hinge is pretty durable. So, even with this, it'll probably get a few scratches and stuff. But overall, this case is going to protect your Galaxy Z Fold 6 pretty decently. We've got some holes down there for a lanyard if you do want to attach a lanyard. But again, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the Ringke Fusion clear case, along with those camera lens protectors and tempered glass screen protector here in the front. Y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you do find yourself interested in the case, the screen protector, or the camera lenses, I'll make sure to have some links down in the description below so you can check them out for yourself, get your Galaxy Z Fold 6 protected. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.